Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 9 start-ready side hustles that are perfect for beginners looking to make some extra cash. Whether you're trying to save up for a new car, pay off some bills, or just want a little extra spending money, these side hustles are the perfect way to reach your goals. So, if you're ready to start earning some serious cash, then let's get right into it. Alright, so for our first side hustle, we're talking about freelance writing. You don't have to be a literary genius to make money as a freelance writer. There are tons of businesses and websites out there that need blog posts, website content, product descriptions, you name it. And the best part is, you can do it all from home. One of the easiest ways to get started is by creating a profile on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. These websites connect freelancers with clients, and you can set your own rates and choose projects that interest you. Let your enthusiasm shine through. Freelance writing is a fantastic way to put your skills to good use and earn some extra cash. Next up, we have online tutoring. This side hustle is perfect for all you brainiacs out there who love to share their knowledge with others. Whether you're a math whiz, a history buff, or a science guru, there are students of all ages who need help in your area of expertise. Many online tutoring platforms don't require any formal teaching qualifications. All you need is a passion for your subject and a knack for explaining things clearly. Websites like Chegg and Tutor.com are great places to start. You can create a profile, list your areas of expertise, and set your own hourly rates. Even if you don't consider yourself an expert, you can still help with essay writing, test preparation, or staying organized. For all you creative folks out there, this next side hustle is for you. Selling handmade crafts online is a fantastic way to turn your passion into profit. Whether you're a whiz with a sewing machine, a master potter, or a jewelry-making extraordinaire, there's an audience out there who will appreciate and buy your unique creations. The answer is simple. Etsy. Etsy is an online marketplace for selling handmade and vintage items. It's like a giant online craft fair where you can set up shop and showcase your amazing creations to the world. Setting up your Etsy shop is super easy and intuitive. You can create beautiful product listings with high-quality photos, write detailed descriptions, and set your own prices. Etsy provides you with all the tools you need to manage your orders, track your sales, and communicate with your customers. You set your own hours, choose what you want to create, and build a loyal following. Chapter 4. Become a virtual assistant. Ever wish you had an extra pair of hands to help you get things done? Lots of people feel the same way, and that's where virtual assistants come in. Being a virtual assistant is all about providing administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients from remote locations. You could be managing emails and calendars, creating social media content, doing data entry, booking travel arrangements, or even providing customer service. Websites like Remote.so and Zirtual are great places to find VA gigs. Becoming a VA is a fantastic way to gain valuable experience, build your professional network, and earn a solid income all while working from home. Chapter 5. Sell products without ever holding inventory. This next side hustle is all about selling products online without ever having to touch a single piece of inventory. It's called dropshipping, and it's taking the e-commerce world by storm. You create an online store using a platform like Shopify, and then you partner with a dropshipping supplier who handles all the inventory and shipping for you. When a customer places an order on your store, the order is automatically sent to your dropshipping supplier, and they take care of packing and shipping the product directly to your customer. You never have to worry about storing inventory, managing shipping logistics, or dealing with customer service headaches. The beauty of dropshipping is that you can sell virtually anything you want. Chapter 6. Get paid to play with puppies. Calling all animal lovers. This next side hustle is for you. If you're obsessed with furry friends, then why not get paid to spend time with them? Pet sitting and dog walking are fantastic ways to turn your love of animals into extra cash. Lots of people are super busy with work, travel, or other commitments, and they need someone trustworthy and reliable to look after their beloved pets while they're away. By becoming a pet sitter or dog walker, you can provide a valuable service to pet owners in your community and earn some extra cash while doing something you love. Platforms like Rover and Wag make it super easy to connect with pet owners in your area. You can create a profile, set your availability, and list your services. Rover and Wag handle all the payment processing so you can focus on what matters most, spending quality time with adorable animals. Chapter 7. Become a social media guru. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for any business looking to succeed. But let's be real, managing social media accounts can be a full-time job in itself. That's where social media managers come in, and it's a side hustle with huge earning potential. As a social media manager, you'll be the mastermind behind a brand's online persona. You'll be responsible for creating engaging content, scheduling posts, running ads, interacting with followers, and analyzing data to optimize performance. Many small business owners are so busy running their businesses that they don't have the time or resources to dedicate to social media marketing. Offer to manage their social media accounts for a monthly fee and show them the value you can bring to the table. Chapter 8. Get paid for your opinion. Have you ever wished you could get paid for simply sharing your thoughts and opinions? Well, guess what? You totally can. Online surveys are a quick and easy way to earn extra cash in your spare time. And the best part is, you can do it from anywhere. Companies are constantly looking for consumer feedback to improve their products, services, and marketing campaigns, and they're willing to pay you for your valuable insights. There are tons of reputable survey websites out there, but some of the most popular ones include Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. These platforms partner with a wide range of companies and offer a variety of surveys on different topics. Signing up for these websites is usually free and easy. You'll create a profile, provide some basic information about yourself, and then you'll start receiving survey invitations that match your demographics and interests. It's a great way to earn a little extra spending money while you're watching TV, waiting for an appointment, or even just taking a break from work. Chapter 9. Make passive income with affiliate marketing. Alright guys, for our final side hustle, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing. Now this one's a little different from the others because it has the potential to generate passive income, meaning you could earn money even while you sleep. Sounds pretty awesome, right? So, what exactly is affiliate marketing? In a nutshell, it's all about promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link. It's like being a digital salesperson, but without the pressure of cold calling or door-to-door sales. One of the most popular affiliate marketing programs out there is Amazon Associates. With millions of products to choose from, you're bound to find something that resonates with your audience. To get started with affiliate marketing, you'll need a platform to promote your affiliate links. The key is to create high-quality content that provides value to your audience and naturally incorporates your affiliate links. Outro. Start your side hustle today. Thanks for watching. If you found these side hustles helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on making extra income. Remember guys, starting a side hustle is all about taking that first step. With a little bit of effort and dedication, you can achieve your financial goals and live the life of your dreams.